Why is it so cold? And wet.
We were storing ultra rare JDM parts today.
No.
We're putting bricks. Different set of bricks.
Other bricks.
New bricks. None of this clear lens action anymore.
Because we're just, the crypto's been going well for the boys, so we're just buying bricks like no
The
tomorrow.
Dogecoin's really been skyrocketing. Big shout out to Elon.
Yeah. Good old Musk. You know, he tweeted about it last night. That's why it went up last night.
Oh shit. How your calls doing?
Well, I called. He tweeted about it. I didn't see it because I don't have Twitter. And then my girlfriend was like, "Oh, he tweeted about it," and my call had just sold, and then it went way past that, and I was like, "Fuck." Oh, this one was barely attached.
Okay.
There's only one bolt holding this in.
I'm a goopy gooper, yeah. You're a goopy gooper, yeah. We're all goopy goopers, yeah.
Headlight delayed. Time to put in some Chevy Silverado headlights.
Why is that a thing?
About to destroy the market, bro. Like, dude,
not.
shut up. No one wants your
So bad.
Chevy Silverado headlights and they're Sylvia.
Have you seen it from like top down? Like how
No, I haven't. I saw him. He's like, about to ruin the market. Sorry, brah. And just like kept scrolling. I was like, I don't care.
like I don't want to make him feel bad for trying, but like, you know when someone comes into Dragon's Den and they're like, I've dropped this much money into my business, it's so fucking
Yeah,
up.
the guy who had two 2-liters strapped to his back that went to like a hose, and he's like, backpack hose.
It's like, you gotta quit while you're still ahead, because that is not going anywhere. Sorry about it.
Junk.
Look at
These
the
are
tab.
these are so light. Yeah, DIY tab. That's sick. These are really light because these lenses are plastic instead of glass. The real bricks are heavy as fart, bruh.
For sale. Message someone if you want them.
If you want some clear bricks, glass. These are heavy as fucking shit. Someone in Japan was nice enough to tape these up for me. So no friggin'. What are those giant hornets called?
Rubber hornets?
No, I feel like it's something different than that, but maybe. Got crawled in there and got imported to Canada. Dude, these are almost doing as well as Dogecoin. Please buy some stonks so we can pump this and dump it. Come on, let's go. Buy it so we can dump it. Yo, it's Mr. 403
Oh, is that the freshie?
with the medium-sized PP. Yeah, so where the corner light pops into this was broken on the OEM lensed bricks, so I just swapped it over, and now we have to put the lenses in, or it's not, fuck.
Yeah, put the clear lenses back in, dude.
Yeah, dude, let me just heat these up and swap them. No, the Bulbasaurs. Why is this Bulbasaur different? Oh, there we go.
In the studio today, man.
It's Mother Nature. Oh, that was way easier than one. Oh, this small one's a bit of a pain to install, Nate. Then we put this little condominium on here. Oh, romance. Then I don't have the other thing for this, so
That's alright.
gonna have to take that off Noah's car because. Yeah, you do. You stole them from the bricks we brought in from Japan. So
Oh,
I'm gonna steal them back. All right. Wow, these even have the knob thing to line them up.
You should run one OEM and one clear.
Dude, that
Flag
is
point.
so tits.
That'd be so fire.
Say it again, brother.
Dude, one OEM lens, correct, dude? The other side, dude? Clear lens.
Honestly, dude, it was better the second time because it was twice as potent.
Clean, man.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Just wait till
It looks so lit, dude.
Just wait till I get the Silverado lights.
Wow,
Looks so much better. Man. Like, what is this filaments here? That's your problem. That's cold. This bump is cooked.
Cold, your bash bar ain't on tight enough because you only put one bolt in.
Oh, there we go. Okay, this side fits so much better with the bumper. Check out the fitment Noah dialed in there.
Crazy, man.
Crazy to the max, bro. So we're just gonna put it in half-assed. Oh, this is missing on this side. How did I not even notice that? I hate my life. Zip ties, the proper way to install anything.
We're just gonna change our channel to solely posting brick videos. We'll just put bricks on, and then a couple of weeks later we'll change them out for another pair.
Yeah. And then own every pair of bricks in the world because our crypto stonks will do so well. Please buy Doge. God, the grill looks so dark. That's gonna be so much dimmer than with the clear lenses. Damn. Already useless headlights made more useless.
Damn.
That was totally worth $1,500. Now that's a mod worth $1,500, let me tell you. Alright, as you know, advertising space here on Moist Boys is premium, so we can't be giving out any free advertising. As you see here, there's some bullshit right there, isn't there? Yeah, we're not getting paid for that, so we made our goddamn own. Because we can't be having that. Look at that shit. Prototype coming soon to the store. Let's try to install it here. Get out, junk. Garbage! Garbage! Get out of here! Scram! Now for some quality. You're the voice, try and understand it. There?
Yeah.
Here? Here?
Wherever you want.
Wherever you want, Noah. Today's your big day. It's your birthday. Fuck off. Oh. Put my Ecosha in here, coming soon. Look at that air Spencer in there. This bitch smelling fresh as fuck, man. Look at this shit. If you don't have one of these, oh, it's like crystal, man. Ah!
Right on. No more free advertising on the channel.
Yeah, look at that shit. You're gonna be able to buy this for your own fucking garbage piece of car very soon. I love spending money on a $2,000 car that's worth 5 times that because of a stupid fucking cartoon. Yeah! There you have it. The OEM lens, glass lens bricks are on. Was it worth the money? Is any of this worth the money? No. But, looks kind of cool. Need to polish my grill because it looks like doo-doo. Need to paint this front end because it looks like doo-doo. Especially right here on the bumper where it got some sort of disease. And then the hood is black. Which is sick because when I'm on the Tooge and the sun is shining, it doesn't like glare in my face off the hood. So I can see the corners better and like Tooge harder. But yeah. Cool. Comment if you think these headlights are worth the money these days they're pulling. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, all this stuff is going up. It's all stonks. Bricks are the next GameStop, brother. So get in while you can. Yeah. Stay tuned for more content. Again, we're uploading every Monday and Thursday. Monday and Thursday, new videos. Pfft. So get stoked for that. So yeah. Ah, this bumper looks terrible. Like, look at this. What kind of disease? Comment below what disease this is.